This cello quick tip is about the bow hold, why you need to correct this to look like this. A big mistake that is easy to spot and easy to correct, even by non-musician parents, is the hand rolling toward the screw. Some teachers teach that it should be a little more square, and some teach that it should be a little more pronated. It should never look like this though. Black and white, cut and dry. Parents, if you see it, correct it. When the hand falls toward the screw, much of the basic sound production is lost, along with the ability to control the bow in a musical way. Tone production, changing the colors, changing the aural landscape, are all goals cellists should have, and maintaining a proper bow hold is part of that. For a one-page quick reference guide, click the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.